in a landmark case that could reshape the future of Australian rules football. A frustrated Supreme Court judge is considering limiting the number of players involved in a significant class action lawsuit against the AFL. The case, which has seen the involvement of at least 7 Geelong players, including premiership legend Max Rooke as the lead plaintiff, is centered around serious allegations of negligence linked to concussion-related injuries sustained during the game. The class action seeks compensation for players who have suffered long-term damage due to concussions while playing AFL from 1985 to March 2023. Rooke claims to have endured between 20 and 30 concussions throughout his career, resulting in what he describes as permanent, life-altering injuries. As the case drags into its third year, Justice Andrew Keogh has expressed concern about maintaining efficiency and proportionality, suggesting a potential narrowing of the time frame to the years Rooke played, from 2002 to 2010. His remarks indicate the court's frustration with the perceived enormity of the class action, which he believes is spiraling out of control. In the court's latest session, a subgroup of Geelong players was mentioned, with minimal details available, raising questions about what defines a group member eligible for the suit. The debate has intensified around the criteria for proving loss and damage, particularly as the AFL contests that a broad definition could lead to complications. Rooke's representative, Fiona Forsyth KC, is advocating for a wider inclusion of alleged victims, arguing that symptoms experienced by players do not require an official diagnosis to be valid. The AFL, however, warns that without medical inquiry, many players may not even know whether they have suffered permanent brain injuries. Currently, more than 60 former players and the families of deceased players are involved in the class action, which could bring costs exceeding $1 billion to the AFL if the claim succeeds. As the legal battle unfolds, the implications for player safety and the future of the sport are profound, making this case one of the most significant in Australian sporting history.